welcome back. My name is Manvi Bansal. I am a counseling psychologist and a manifestation coach. Today we are going to talk about self-worth because whatever we do, everything boils down to one thing, and that is your self-worth. Nonetheless, like maybe you are doing affirmations, visualization, manifestation techniques, you're applying different tools, you're doing different things, you are going for therapy, you are doing self-work, you are doing mirror work, you're doing affirmation, like you're doing so many things. You're reading books, you're watching podcasts, but at the end of the day, you're not feeling worthy. So everything boils down to just one thing, that is your own self-worth. It is like it is going to set the temperature of your own manifestation, whatever you want, of your own life, be it love, money, abundance, freedom, whatever. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होगा आपके लाइफ में, let's say love enters in your life, but somehow you are going to sabotage yourself and you are going to push it away, and anyway you are going to lose that partner because at the end of the day, internally you don't feel that you are enough, and if you are not going to feel that you are good enough, you are not going to have it. आपके पास इसीलिए if you will see a lot of people, why a lot of people attract the right jobs and they are getting a good company, they are having a good environment over there, but they end up losing their jobs eventually. It's not because they are not skilled, it's just because they feel they're not good enough, they feel they don't deserve it. Whatever it is for you, be it the freedom, money, love, abundance, or whatever you want to experience in your life, it is all going to boil down to just one thing, that is your self-worth. But मानवी, आपने self-worth तो बता दिया कि अब मुझे ये तो पता है कि मेरी self-worth तो low है, but अब उसको बढ़ाने के लिए मुझे क्या क्या करना होगा, तो आज हम उसके बारे में भी बात करते हैं कि अगर आपको वर्दी फील नहीं हो रहा है, आप वर्दी कैसे फील कर सकते हो. सबसे पहले you have to go back in your past and think of first situation in your life where you felt that you don't deserve it. Maybe you got good marks, maybe something happened at your home, maybe you were being compared, maybe you always felt left out in your group as a child with your friends, maybe you always felt that everyone is much better than me, maybe you always were being bullied, and now you end up comparing yourself. You tell yourself that you don't deserve all of these things. You tell yourself, oh, you are like this, your body is like this, your complexion is like this, you are coming from this background, or whatever self-talk you're doing with yourself is going to reflect what your life is going to look like. The self-talk has direct impact on the life you are living today. It has nothing to do with anything else. और सारे ट्रॉमा, सारी सब एक साइड और सेल्फ वर्थ एक साइड. और इसीलिए हम कोई भी ट्रॉमा पर काम करते हैं ना, जो सबसे मेजर ट्रॉमा मेरे सामने निकल कर आता है विद माई क्लाइंट्स, it is I am not good enough. मानवी, I don't feel I deserve this. मानवी, अगर आज मेरे पास आ रहा है, let's say आज आपके पास आ गया वो, but आप hold on ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो. Like you freak out. If someone is showing love, you freak out. If someone is giving you gifts, you freak out. I don't deserve it. मैंने ऐसा क्या किया है? मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी to earn money. मुझे bread crumbs को accept करना पड़ेगा to be loved. मुझे people please करना पड़ेगा to be loved. I have to overgive to be loved. I have to do these things to be likable. I have to maybe make everyone happy so that people can accept me, validate me, and like me. I have to shrink myself so that people are going to say, oh, you are a good person. I have to keep saying yes so that I can adjust here and probably people can love me and maybe stay with me. I know, I hear you. I myself have been to this story for a really long time, but not anymore. What changed is my self-worth. So first step is your self-awareness. जब भी आप अपने आप को देखोगे कि यार ये हो रहा है, यहाँ पर I am able to figure it out that I am comparing myself. यहाँ पर I am able to figure it out कि I wanted to say no but I end up saying yes. यहाँ पर I am able to figure it out that I feel I am not good enough. यहाँ पर I am able to feel that I know that I am looking beautiful but the other person is not accept me because of his own conditioning, traumas, opinions, judgment. And it has nothing to do with me. It has everything to do with them. If they are not able to accept you, it's because वो नहीं ले सकते हैं तुम्हें. It has nothing to do with you. उनकी चीजें हैं वो. But we take it personally that something is wrong with us. No, there is nothing wrong with you. You have to understand this. जब आपके standards high हो जाएंगे ना, तो you are going to attract these people only who are going to accept you, or going to validate you, or going to love you so much, or going to make you feel like you are somebody, not everything, but somebody. यहाँ पर आप अपने आप को sabotage करे जा रहे हो, यहाँ पर अपने आप को बोले जा रहे हो, you don't deserve this, you don't feel loved, you don't feel heard, you don't feel cared for, you don't feel anything, you don't feel appreciated, you don't feel validated. No, stop telling this to yourself. Start seeing the small wins to upgrade yourself. Just be clear about what do you want. Just be clear about the negotiables and non-negotiable in your life. Be it with your clients, be it with your customer, your relationship with your partner, your relationship with your parents, your relationship with your siblings, your relationship with your in-laws, be it anyone. Set your standards high. You don't have to accept the breadcrumbs given to you by your clients, by your partner, by your in-laws, by your extended family or whatever, whomsoever it is. You don't have to do that. अपने standards high रखने के लिए आपको clear होना पड़ेगा by what do you deserve, what do you want, what do you don't want. जब आप clear होगे तब उसके बाद आपको लिस्ट बनानी है what are the negotiables and what are the non-negotiables, और उसमें मैं adjust नहीं करूंगी. उसके बाद you have to learn how to do all of these things. You have to learn how to maintain that standard. You have to learn how to say no. You have to learn how to set boundaries. You have to learn how to validate yourself, how to accept yourself, how to love yourself. And once you do all of that, your self-worth will gradually start increasing. And that will be the breakthrough moment for you. But it's not just one time. You have to keep repeating the cycle over and over again so that you can accept it. So that your subconscious mind knows what do you deserve and what you are not going to accept at any point of time. वो भी breadcrumb दे रहा आप नहीं करोगे, नहीं ये मेरी वैल्यू ही नहीं है, मेरा स्टैंडर्ड ही नहीं है ये. लेट्स हम एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. आप कोई ग्रोसरी शॉप पर जा रहे हो और आप लेस का पैकेट मांग रहे हो और वो बोल रहा है कि ये 20 रुपए का है और आप उससे लड़ रहे हो कि नहीं मुझे 18 का दे दो. क्या वो दे देगा? उसको पता है ना ये है मेरा स्टैंडर्ड, मैं लॉस में जाऊंगा तो मैं नहीं दूंगा ना, मैं क्यों दूं? तो but why don't we apply this one thing in our day-to-day life? And I feel very sad for these people because I myself have been to that place where I was shrinking myself for a really long time. Then I realized it is not serving me. It is ideally hampering my growth, my healing, my progress, my success, my money, my love, everything in my life. The moment I opened all of that, people start to show up in such beautiful ways. My clients, everyone around me. So it is a reminder for you to work on your self-worth. अपने स्टैंडर्ड्स बनाओ कि ये है मानवी, मुझे इसके नीचे मैं नहीं एक्सेप्ट करूंगी, और उस स्टैंडर्ड्स के बाद नेगोशिएबल्स बनाओ, नो नेगोशिएबल्स बनाओ. सिट विद योरसेल्फ, बी क्लियर अबाउट द लाइफ यू वांट, स्क्रिप्ट अबाउट इट, विजुअलाइज अबाउट इट, अफर्म अबाउट इट. शीशे में खड़े होकर बोलो ना दैट यू डिजर्व इट. अपना देखो ना आपने व्हाट ऑल यू हैव अचीव्ड इन योर लाइफ, राइट डाउन. Use as many prompts as you need, but just be the embodiment of it. Embody every single part of that. That even your cell is aware, each and every cell is aware now what do you deserve. And that cell is going to shout and scream that this is not for you when you know that you are downgrading your self-worth, you are downgrading your lifestyle, you are downgrading your standards which you have set for yourself. So yeah, it's a reminder for you that work on your self-worth. You deserve so much more. So don't accept the breadcrumbs. Okay, and if you want to work with me one-on-one, I'm sharing the link of my Instagram account in the description box. You can reach out to me at any point of time and I would love to work with you and see you manifesting your dream life. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment because I'm going to come up with so many beautiful insights and more videos on this channel. Meanwhile, take care. Bye-bye.